today I'm going to be unboxing the Friesian cow twins. So the whole family is here to meet them. And they're very excited to meet the twins. So now let's get them out. So I got these from the Sylvanian family shop in London. I ordered them on their website and they came today. So I've been so excited to meet them because they're so cute. So this is Dolly Buttercup. And this is Fennel Buttercup. And they are the Friesian cow twins. This is the catalogue. I'll just show you that. This is quite an old catalogue because it's got things that they don't do anymore on it. Like the Rainbow Nursery. I haven't actually got that one. Well, I've got 3 nurseries anyway, so I probably don't need another one, but I remember when that was out. And lots of families on here. The Dales, very cute. I have them. I love the sheep. Very cute. And lots of old sets. And Cedar Terrace. And the baby carry cases. Just put that back over here. So this is Dolly and she's wearing yellow. This is Fennel and he's wearing green. It's very cute. So I put them with their family. They're going to meet Cheddar. Oh, they are so cute. Now I have, Penley Buttercup just can't handle the excitement. He just fell over. Oh, it looks like such a cute little family. Because now I've got 5 cows. I only had 2 cows before, but then I got Cheddar. Now I've got the twins as well. They're so cute. I love them. I'll show you them close up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.